So a couple of months ago, Mrs. Mad Matt and I got an impromptu opportunity to head out to Birdsville, which is on the edge of the Simpson Desert, and do some filming for some of our clients. So this video is a little bit different to our normal weekly Mad Matt 4-wheel drive YouTube video. This one is some of that trip, some of the highlights, just some of the scenery and all of that stuff that we did out there. Big thanks to Peter Toth, who came with us, and Lauren Toth, who has put together this cut for the most part and just helped us out. I love it. I think you're going to love it. And make sure you watch out for the bit where I swallow a fly. Here at Mad Matt 4-wheel drive, I'm all about educating and building the 4-wheel drive community so we can wheel well. I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell so you can get all those notifications. Righto, let's get into this. I'd forgotten how much I loved the big sky country of the Australian outback. It was breathtaking. The recent rains meant that the desert was full of new life. Me being me, I found all of the 4-wheel drive opportunities. It was just amazing. And enjoy some of those clifftop views.
Kind of excited here, guys. So when I last came to Birdsville in '91, we never came out here to Big Red. Well, here it is, 2020. I'm in the 105 with the turbo FZ motor, and I'm gonna give it a go. My first time up Big Red. Here we go.
Well, it's been 28 years since I was last in this pub. It's time for dinner. We watched the sunset from the top of Big Red. Then we had lunch on the edge of a lake. And then I did the ironing on the back of the car, because that's what you do, isn't it? Well, right at the moment, I'm out in the country. You can tell that because of the flies. They're everywhere. But a lot of people don't really understand why. I swallowed that one. That didn't come back up. Oh, dear. Okay, here we go. Oh. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trail.